Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for unbiased reviews on the latest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we're diving into the world of home cleaning with the Ultenic U12 Vesla cordless vacuum cleaner. Packed with features at an affordable price point, let's see if this little wonder lives up to the hype. First impressions matter, and the U12 Vesla certainly makes a statement. Sleek design, lightweight construction, and an extendable wand for those hard-to-reach places. But it's not just about looks. This vacuum comes with a display that shows remaining battery life in minutes. Talk about handy. Now, let's talk about performance. The U12 Vesla may not have the raw power of some competitors, but it holds its own in everyday cleaning tasks. From hardwood floors to carpets, it gets the job done. However, it did struggle a bit with tougher messes, leaving some residue behind. One feature that caught my eye is the unique control panel, resembling a car dashboard. While it looks cool, I did find the power settings a tad confusing at first. And don't get me started on the auto mode, which kicks in only when there's a blockage. A bit of a head-scratcher, if you ask me. On the bright side, the U12 Vesla is a breeze to maintain. The dustbin is easy to empty, and the washable filter ensures long-term use without breaking the bank on replacements. Plus, the removable battery means you can keep cleaning even when the juice runs low. So, should you buy the Ultenic U12 Vesla? It's perfect for quick cleanups and everyday maintenance. However, if you need something for heavy-duty cleaning sessions, you might want to look elsewhere. And that wraps up our review of the Ultenic U12 Vesla cordless vacuum cleaner. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest reviews. Until next time, happy cleaning!